So hello biology nerd side. Today I'll be trying to finish the Green Circle Trail, the part that I haven't seen yet, which should be about 10 miles, maybe a little bit extra. Hope to see some fabulous fall colors, maybe some wildlife if I'm lucky. Come along and join me on the Green Circle Trail. Good afternoon, biology nerd side. It is an absolutely beautiful day in Stevens Point. The birds are singing nicely and it's fabulous weather. I'm out enjoying it the only way I know how. I hiked back out to the tamaracks today. Got them named, got some really nice measurements on them, and let me introduce you. The tall one I introduced you to last time is 77 feet tall, which makes it one of the tallest thus far recorded in the ENTS database. I know they can get up over 80 feet. I just need to do more work in tamarack bogs. But this one up above me is the Golden Giant. To the left is 70.9 feet tall, the second tallest here. That's Goldilocks. Then we got the twins on this side. The one on the left is the huge double-topped. I named him Shaggy. He's got very crazy branches. Got fantastic canopy at a maximum of 40 and a little bit extra 45 feet. And the one to the right is Scooby. Both of these are in top yellow color for the fall. The Goldilocks is getting there. Golden Giant's maybe a day or two away from being perfect. But I'm out doing what I love. Hello biology nerd side. I've now continued my voyage and I'm now down to the village of Whiting, Wisconsin. I just scared up a really good sized carp here. Down below the dam, the Plover River is dammed for a stretch that makes the McDill Pond. The area around McDill has some fabulous white pines that I walked through that you'll see in the pictures. But anyway, this part has some incredible biodiversity, especially in the trees. As you see, there's white pine on that shore, but behind me is just incredible. Eastern cottonwood, paper birch, yellow birch, red maple, black ash, Norway spruce, white pine, bunch of the alders and serviceberries, and a few more, but it's just awesome. There's this huge paper birch. You see the big yellow one in front of the camera. Really good sized paper birch. The cottonwoods are great. The Norway spruces are really tall, and it's really beautiful. Still enjoying the weather. So hello biology nerd side. Continuing on, found something that's not exactly biological. It's man-made, but very cool piece of history nonetheless. We are in an area that is very rich in archaeological sites, primarily Native American, and in this case is Native American burial mound. This is an area that was very rich in these mounds, all the way up the Plover River. They know a lot of these from historical accounts, but most of them are there no longer. This particular one's very small and very worn down. I'll post pictures if I find another of larger size. But with many of the mounds, they've said they're just worn down over time. Used for anything from landmarks to burial mounds to really anything. Very cool piece of history. Very cool lesson I wouldn't have learned if I hadn't gone hiking today. Okay, biology nerd side. I'm filming this through my rangefinder, so it's gonna be kind of dizzying, but I spotted this from about 300 yards out. We're standing at about 230 yards now. There was a dark blotch up in this dead white pine. It turned out to be a bald eagle, and there are carp jumping all over the place, so I'm hoping the bald eagle decides to get dinner soon. In any case, I tried to zoom this in for you, but I can still zoom in the iPhone a little bit, so I'll see if I can, but it's usually pretty dizzying to even look at. Just give me a second. So yeah, there's carp jumping all over the place. This eagle's got a perfect spot up in this big dead white pine. to fish from. Eagle should be right there. There he is. Just see if I can get a good view of him. Right there. Very cool. We are now close to where the Plover River dumps into the Wisconsin, and I've reached an impasse. This beautiful area is called the Whiting Conservation Area. Unfortunately, I do not have time to explore today because I have an hour and a half hike back and less than 2 hours till dark. So, but I got this beautiful two pair of islands actually, both covered in good sized white pine as well as oak and maple and mosquitoes. But Joe, what lesson did you and I learn last time we tried to go to an island? For Biology Nerd Side, I'm gonna need to make this part of the video fast because I'm running out of battery and I might need to call my roommate to pick me up because it's gonna get dark soon. But the dominant species in this woods is blowing my mind. Honey locust, all over the place, absolutely giant, including the biggest one here, which is 77 feet tall. And another species that I don't see in Wisconsin woods because it's not supposed to be in Wisconsin woods, catalpa. What the catalpa? Anyway, I'm gonna try to take this video fast, Biology Nerd Side, because I'm just about out of video and out of battery. The white pines in this stretch are phenomenal. Just look up. They're all well over 100 feet tall. That one's a red. This one's a red oak. Those are white pine. All of these, they're well over 100 feet tall. Up by the 8, 9, 10 feet around. Just look how tall this is. I'm in paradise. You can't tell. Really enjoying myself at the river pines.